How to fix missing intersection in Elementor. So I have the Elementor editor open here. If I search for intersection, I don't have it. Now, how can we get the intersection option in Elementor? What we have to do is we have to open up our Elementor account here, and then we'll click on Open WordPress Dashboard from within our Elementor account. Now, once we have WordPress open, we will hover over Elementor, and then we'll go to Settings. Now, from these settings, we will actually need to go to features, so the very last tab, and then once we have gone to the features tab, we will scroll down until we're able to see Flexbox container, and it should be on default. What we want to do is we want to click on inactive. It will show us that container-based content will be hidden from the site and may not be recoverable in all cases. Click on deactivate, and after we have done this, just scroll down and save your changes. Now, if I go back to Elementor and I refresh my website here, it should give me the intersection if I search for it. As you can see, it immediately appears. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.